The Covid-19 Omicron variant continues to be the dominant variant of concern in this country. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Roshan Parasram said the Omicron variant B115 has evolved and given rise to many descendant lineages with different mutations. During Wednesday's COVID-19 health update, Dr. Parasram provided an update on the sub-lineages of the Omicron variants, adding that while BA2 is dominant, two other variants are spreading among the local population.
What I said before, so we would have had BA2 of the Omicron sublineages remains the dominant for now at 45.5% of the samples that were recently taken. BA4 was detected prior to BA5, but only accounts for 9.1% of the recent Omicron samples. And as we said, BA5 seems to be the most infectious of the lot and was detected in 41% of last week's sample, noting that it was just first detected only a week prior to that.
Dr. Parasram said variants of concern such as Omicron are easily transmissible, cause more severe disease, and decrease the effectiveness of vaccines. He admitted that the BA5 lineage of the Omicron variant does present at least one of these characteristics.
So therefore, we can state that BA5 is possibly the most transmissible SARS-CoV variant thus far. There's no evidence yet that BA5 is more severe, which is a good signal in terms of clinical outcome, meaning that it's more transmissible, but is not more dangerous in terms of causing more deaths or causing more hospitalizations, at least at this early stage.
Dr. Parasram said BA5 has been detected in 89 countries as at July 10, 2022, and is increasing at a higher rate than BA4.
During Wednesday's COVID-19 health update, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Roshan Parasram provided an update on the spread of the monkeypox disease globally.
This morning there was an ongoing briefing from WHO, July 20th, which suggests that just under 14,000 cases confirmed, that is from January 1st to present, in over 70 countries. I think we would have reported just over 50 countries on last week's update. There are 5 deaths, all within the African continent.
Dr. Parasram said the World Health Organization is expected to host a meeting to discuss the monkeypox disease tomorrow.
In our COVID update, the COVID-related death toll remains at 4,039, as for the second day in a row, there have been no reported COVID-related deaths. Meanwhile, an additional 153 people have tested positive for COVID-19 in Trinidad and Tobago. The Health Ministry says those results were based on samples taken between July 18th and July 19th. There are 6,049 total active positive cases of COVID-19.